Hey y'all, spotted a new display at CVS. Let's take a look. I was actually on my way out from leaving the pharmacy when I spotted this new paparazzi display. Look at them, they're like regular polished bottles now. Now I didn't pick one up because I want to go home and see which ones of these that I have, because they are still all the same ones they had before, and I want to compare them to see if they changed the formula. But I'm pretty excited to try it out. I do like that they changed the bottles. I'm hoping the formula and the smell is better, because that was a problem with their last batch. That was in those fatter bottles. But there is still a lot of really nice colors. They're still 2 for $5. And yeah, so here's a look at them. Okay, so next I'm going to show you guys some of their treatments. Now this one is called Killed It, and it actually has real kale in it for nail strengthening, and I definitely want to give that one a try. Now that one was My Tips Are Sealed. They also had a peel-off base coat, which I don't remember being in the last collection. They have this adhesion base coat called Sticky Situation. It's just to for your polish to stick to better. And they had a lot of other nail treatments that I definitely want to try. Treatments are also 2 for $5, along with the cuticle and hand lotion that I showed in the beginning is also 2 for $5.